Okay, now we have the sketch for our handle. We're going to return back to the assembly, and then we're going to create our frame. So we're going to have a look up in the Design tab and the Insert Frame. And we want to insert an ISO component, and we're going to use hot rolled steel bars in flat bar, and I'm going to use the 30x5 profile. We'll slide that across. We're actually going to select where we're going to place that 30x5 flat bar by selecting the lines of that sketch. Okay, now I'm just going to pan this over. One of the critical dimensions for our handle is the gap between these two elements, and at the moment there's not enough gap. It needs to be 15. So if I change my insert point over to that side, you can see it inserts the frame around the outside of the sketch, which is what we want. So we'll hit apply and click OK and OK. That's going to build that frame for us. Okay, we can close that insert window. And there it is. Now all we need to do is put some holes through there. So what we can do is go back to our assemble, and we'll right click and create a new sketch, and we're going to place it on that surface. Just going to pan that up. Alright, and we'll project the geometry. And we'll right click and create a center point circle. Just put it over in space there. Right click, general dimension, from top to bottom, and just accept whatever it gives us. And from left to right, accept that also. Now from the hole center to the left, we want that dimension to be this dimension divided by 2, and we want from the hole center to the bottom edge, sorry, missed it, hole center to the bottom edge, we want that dimension to be this dimension divided by 2. Tick that one, that centers it for us, and right click, finish sketch. Now we can use our hole tool, so right click. Now if it's not popping up for you like mine is not, what you need to do is go back to 3D model tab at the top and hit your hole tool. Then select that hole center. Now on here we want to change the diameter to 5.5 and the termination through all, and that will get rid of that top tab for us, and click OK, and that will put a hole all the way through that part for us. We can also get fancy now and add some fillets. So if we select the fillet tool and select these edges, and we'll set that at 2 millimeters and apply. Close that. That's our handle component made. Go back to assemble, and we can hit save. And just hit yes to all, and OK. Might take a while because it's saving all of those frame